Good morning, everybody. So tomorrow our plan is that we'll be making a couple of different tamales. And one of them for the carnivores will be, the filling will be machaca. And so I'm getting it ready today. This doesn't take a long time. And I'll show you what we're gonna do. So machaca beef is flavorful with adobo sauce, and so that's what we're gonna do. So we've got bouillon cubes, vegetable bouillon cubes, which is really funny because I'm getting ready to stick those in with a chuck roast. So we have a chuck roast, 2 bouillon cubes, 4 ounces of green chili, 2 cloves of garlic, dry mustard, which we're going to use 1.5 teaspoons, 2 onions, 8 peppercorns, and some adobo. In this case, I have adobo sauce, so I'm going to use it kind of like a dry rub and rub it all over the chuck roast. If you have adobo seasoning, you could use it that way as well. This just happens to be what I have. Okay, so let's get this all going here. And then all we're gonna do is stick it in the handy dandy crock pot, put it on low and let it cook for 8 to 10 hours, depending on, until it gets cooked and the meat is just flaking off. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hands really quick. Okay. So, let's take our chuck roast. What's up, Chuck? What's up, Chuck? Okay. By you. And you. Okay, so this is kind of we're gonna use it as like a dry rub, like I said. Just kind of give this guy a nice massage, rub this all in. Hopefully everybody's doing well out there. Be safe, be smart, and as I shared with my kids, be willing to pay the consequences of whatever actions that you take. And after listening to a variety of voices this week, I don't know how to say this, not sounding sarcastic or funny, because I happen to be Caucasian, white, and privileged. White privileged people, shut up. Just open your ears and start listening. That's what we can do. Try and understand, but just stop talking. You guys all know who I'm talking about. You've heard all of it. You've been seeing all of it. Right now would be a good time to just listen. Nothing more. And it's really that simple. Okay, so we're gonna take our dry rub. Well, it's not really a dry rub, it's more of a paste. But we're gonna get that going there. And that's really it. We're just gonna get that kind of massaged in there so that it will be absorbing flavor in here. Okay, so we're gonna drop that in there. We are going to take our onions. Woo! Pew, 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 pew. It is really, I am, well, I'm a morning person. I don't really function in the morning. So why I'm doing this right now is utterly beyond myself. Because I can't really think. No, I can think, I just can't. My body's not wanting to do what I'm trying to tell it to do. Okay. Gonna give these some rough cuts. Drop these in here. Let's do the same thing here. Okay, onion. We're gonna mince up our garlic here. Toss that in. Toss our garlic in there. Okay, we're gonna toss our green chilies in there. Go ahead and use the fluid that's in the green chilies, whatever's there, don't strain it completely out. So 1 4-ounce can. Your bouillon cubes, just kind of crumble those in there. Okay, what else do we have left here? 1.5 teaspoons of dry mustard. Sprinkle that in there. Okay, and then I don't know, 6 to 8 peppercorns. 2, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. How's that? I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to go in there, about a cup. Then we're gonna make sure that's all my ingredients. And then we're gonna close it up and actually maybe one more cup. Okay, that's it. We're gonna plug our crock pot in. We're going to put it on low. I'm gonna set this for 8 hours to start. And at 8 hours, I will check it. Hit start. It's that simple. All right, you guys have a nice day out there. Be safe. Peace.